this story, so we're not going to sing the whole song. So blockchain technology is reshaping the financial landscape, and recent collaboration between global financial infrastructure provider SWIFT and banks like ANZ is a that's an Australian bank, is a testament to this transformation. ANZ is an Australian bank. Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, the CCIP, is at the heart of this revolution, empowering banks to unlock the full potential of digital assets. Hold on, let me make sure you're seeing this. All right. I taped the whole show already, but you can only see my face. We were at the Death Star. I forgot to jump out here to the stories. Fuck. Anyway, here we are. CCIP, developed by Chainlink, has emerged as a groundbreaking solution facilitating seamless interaction between blockchains. It eliminates the siloed nature of blockchain networks, enabling banks to securely transfer tokenized assets across public and private blockchains, bridging the gap between banks and blockchains. The collaboration between SWIFT and global financial institution providers and leading banks like ANZ mark a significant milestone in the financial industry. Today, they have developed a blockchain interoperability model that streamlines the transfer of tokenized assets using SWIFT's PKI, public key infrastructure, and CCIP. This initiative promises to transform the way banks operate in the digital age. Bang! Like I told you, tokenize everything. I've told you guys my passion, I don't want to call it a passion, but my hope is that they tokenize property around the world on a blockchain. You know, I told you before that, you know, in third world countries, people have been living there for years. Before Jesus, you know, like before the Bible, right? Like in Africa and India. And so they don't have, deeds to the land. Everybody just knows, all right, this is that tribe's land. That's that tribe's land, right? But these gangsters are starting to figure out, if I bribe someone to write a bullshit piece of paper saying that's my land, well, I can kick those people off. And they do. They steal their land, especially in India. And I think that's horrible because you're an Indian farmer. That's all your family's ever done for literally 1,000 years. You know, way before America was even around, your family was growing whatever the fuck they grow on that land. And then some miscreant comes along and steals your land from you. And so I think that's horrible. I don't like it. And, we want to tokenize that land. You know that you're a token. What do you mean I'm a token? You have a social security number in America, don't you? Yeah. You have some sort of number in Europe and Britain, don't you? Or all around the world, we all do. Right? That's attached to your government. So when you apply for a loan, you put your name and that number. Hey, you're an NFT already. It's nothing new. But we're going to digitize it and put it on a blockchain. So ANZ, one of Australia's largest institutional banks, is among the early adopters of CCIP. They are leveraging this technology to power cross-chain, cross-currency transactions involving real-world assets. Notably, ANZ is using CCIP to facilitate green financial products, such as reef credits. You know, that's an Australian bank. So, you know, in Australia, right, is it called the Great Barrier Reef or something? Oh, yeah, it is. And, you know, it's getting bleached, right, polluted. Yeah, it's dying. And so this is going to help that to reduce the nitrogen runoff, thus safeguarding the Great Barrier Reef. Yeah. Bang. So the appeal of tokenized assets lies in their fractionalized nature. ANG recognizes that these assets are particularly attractive to brands seeking to integrate green credits with their products. This innovation opens up new possibilities of environmentally conscious businesses and consumers alike. Modernizing financial markets. Assets like carbon credits and offsets. I taught you guys about carbon credits before. Companies pay to pollute. So if I'm what do you call these? What do you call these? You know, a coal mine. No, not a power plant. Sorry, a power plant. You know, I'm polluting. Well, I have to buy carbon credits to pollute, right? So assets like carbon credits and offsets have traditionally been traded through outdated over-the-counter methods. With CCIP, ANZ, and other forward-thinking banks are embracing modernization by digitizing these assets. This shift enhances efficiency and aligns with global efforts to address environmental challenges. Sergey Nazarov, co-founder of Chainlink, envisions a future where banks heavily invest in tokenization. He predicts every bank will have blockchain, stablecoin, and a diverse portfolio of real-world assets. This transformation is poised to reshape the banking landscape, right? You're going to tokenize everything. Tokenize everything. Stocks, bonds, all of it. ANZ's at I know, trust me. ANZ's at these banksters, they love this. ANZ's at the forefront of anticipating shifts in consumer behavior. They foresee a time when digital wallets become a staple alongside your traditional bank account. Right. You're going to have your bank account, you're going to have your checking, your savings, and your wallet. Yeah, but your wallet's going to have all your crypto in it, but with your bank. So anything that goes wrong with it, call the 1-800 number, no problem. They'll fix it and give you the money back or the asset back, either way. As a result, ANZ aims to facilitate the seamless transfer of management of tokenized real-world assets. This move aligns with the evolving needs of their customers and opens the door to a myriad of use cases. The Internet of Contracts. So CCIP's ability to connect private and public blockchains through existing APIs creates what Nazarov calls an Internet of Contracts. This interconnected global network promises to vastly increase the utility of tokenized real-world assets. These assets can flow freely between private bank chains and public decentralized finance applications. One of CCIP's most tangible benefits is the dramatic reduction in transaction times. ANZ reports that by uniting different ledgers on different infrastructures, transactions that once took days are now completed in mere minutes. The efficiency gain has the potential to transform various financial processes. The power of cross-chain messaging. CCIP's capabilities extend to cross-chain messaging, ensuring that on-chain assets accurately reflect real-world market conditions. And so, for instance, your home. You tokenize your home. And your home goes up in value. Well, the token will go up in value with the price of your home. In other words, the real-world data of the value of your home will be transferred to that asset, right? To the token of your home, right? So no one can, bullshit or something. You know what I mean? Like, this is the value of your home. It's $355,000.33. Well, that's what your token will be worth, right? So this feature is crucial for directing the use of cross-chain assets on their respective destination chains. The alignment of value and message represents a groundbreaking development in the blockchain space. ANZ's proactive adoption of CCIP positions them as pioneers in the evolving digital banking landscape. The bank's commitment to creating tokenized real-world assets, your house, your car, and let's look at your car. You know, your car is a depreciating asset. So, every mile your car goes, right, it will depreciate. So if you tokenize your car, you buy a $50,000 car. Well, as you drive it, that token will become worth less and less and less. It will reflect the real value of your vehicle, right? Yeah. And like I said, like your house. You'll tokenize your house. If you're in a good market and your house goes up in value, well, that token will go up in value, right? The real world, for real world assets, demonstrates its foresight. They are poised to meet the growing demand for such assets in an ever-changing financial landscape. You daggone right. I say tokenize everything. Like I said, tokenize your baby. But I just told you, you are already tokenized because you have your government number, right? From whatever government you live in right now.